So now in today's session, we're going to talk about a one-time payment process. Okay. One-time payment process, nothing but an ad hoc payment. It can be a referral bonus. It can be a joining or sign-on bonus. It can be a retention bonus or any amount. If compensation team assigned to an employee, how to pull the amount into the payroll calculation engine and process it. That we're going to discuss in today's session. Okay. Right. So here again, we are going to do two roles. We are going to play two roles. Comp admin, payroll admin. So we are going to create one-time payment plan, an amount-based one-time payment plan. Let's say sign-on bonus. Sign-on bonus. Plan name is sign-on bonus. Okay. And yeah, I will explain all the details. So we are going to create one-time payment, and the task what I'm going to create is not part of the payroll job. We create by the compensation team.
Kiran, I can't see your screen.
Me either. Yeah. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, now I can.
Okay. So we are going to play a compensation admin role. I'm going to get a one-time payment plan, that is sign-on bonus. Okay. And then after the payroll admin, we'll create an earning and we'll process it. I will discuss this. So now I'm going to create a plan called one-time payment as a compensation consultant or admin. Remember one point, please. Creating one-time payment plans, creating compensation plans is not payroll consultant job. Only earning he needs to create. Okay.
Wait, say that again. It's whose job?
Yeah, creating compensation plans, assigning compensation plans to an employee is the compensation team job. It's not
right. No, I get it. Yeah.
So just to give an idea, like how both data is integrated. So I'm showing as a compensation consultant, we'll create one-time payment plan. What happened? It doesn't have access. Log into Logan McNeil, who has access super user. No. Create one-time payment plan. Effective date 1/1/2022. It's we are going to test for 2019, right? Let me select. It's an amount based. Okay. So plan name. Let's call it as DMD. Joining bonus. So here you have three values. Target amount means how much you want to default amount. Minimum how much amount you would like to process. Okay, minimum how much amount you would like to process. Maximum how much amount you would like to process. We will define here. Okay. Yeah. So recommended minimum is, let's say $1,000. Recommended maximum is $10,000. Target amount is, when assigned the plan to an employee, the manager or whosoever assigned the plan, they will take the call how much they would like to pay. Okay. So here, if I gave $5,000, what happens is this $5,000 will be defaulted. I can increase the $5,000 till maximum of $10,000, or I can reduce the $5,000 to $1,000. While assigning the plan level, I maintain this amount. While assigning the plan to an employee, this amount will be defaulted. I can increase this amount, I can reduce the amount up to these values. Question here. let's say a customer said, I don't have any minimum, maximum, or target amount values. I will take the call at the time of assigning the plan to an employee. If that is the scenario, what you have to do? The customer said they're unclear with the values. They will take the call at the time of assigning the plan to an employee. Can you guess? Simple. We should not give, we are not supposed to maintain any values. Keep it as blank. Which means while you assign the plan to an employee, there you will take the call how much needs to be assigned. Okay. For now, I'll give the value again, $5,000, minimum $1,000, maximum $10,000. Okay, select. Okay. Done. Then here, once you create the one-time payment plan, the next step is assign the plan to an employee. So quickly, we will check. We created one-time payment plan. Okay, we created one-time payment plan. Now let's assign the plan to an employee. So I'm going to find out an employee from the pay group. So corporate, semi-monthly corporate professional. One employee we will take Austin. Like to see whether his payrolls are in progress or not. Yeah, we can test this guy. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to assign the one-time payment plan for Austin in this pay period. Okay, in this current pay period, 2/1/2019, right? I'm going to assign a one-time payment plan for Austin, and then we'll create earning and we'll process this one-time payment for this employee. Let's see how it has to be. Select the work-related action. Navigate to the compensation. Request one-time payment. Select the effective date. What is the effective date? 2/1/2019. Yeah. 2/1/2019. Okay. So these are all compensation controls, like when the employee can see. Sometimes we'll assign the one-time payment plan future dated, but you don't want to allow the employee until that is processed. You can specify why are you assigning this one-time payment. You can give a reason, optional it is, and select or add one-time payment. Scroll down, one-time payment plan we created, sign-on bonus. Select this, schedule payment date 2/1/2019. You remember the $5,000 we are given a target amount that is defaulted. Of course, you can still increase this to $6,000 up to customer requirement and send to payroll. Okay, which means send this data to the payroll system. You can also do a comment, joining bonus, sign-on bonus assigned to employee. No. Submit. Now our job is done. Oh, it may go for approvals. Perfect. Our job is done. The amount has been successfully assigned to this employee, Mr. Austin. Here, the compensation role job is done. Now our role will start. What is our role? Process in the payroll. To process in the payroll, I have two options. Option one. Any idea, ma'am? Like what are the options we have? The two options
To do what?
to process this one-time payment.
Oh, well, we can include it in, we can do a separate bonus run
Right,
off cycle, or we can include it
regular way. Okay.
in another, yeah.
That is just initiating a process, off cycle or on cycle. So
Yeah.
how to process? I can process with the payroll input, simple and easiest, or I can process through the regular wage, regular earning. Correct. Two options we have. Which one I have to select here? If the one-time payment is for just one or two employees, go with payroll input. If the one-time payment for all the employees, always go with regular earning. Okay, let's create earning for this.
You mean regular cycle?
Yeah, earning regular on cycle along with regular earning. Payroll input normally is
Right.
with off cycles. Yeah.
And you would include that in the run category?
We already configured run category, so hence it is already included.
Okay.
I will show that grouping. First, what I do is create earning. Name it. Let's say DMD joining bonus. DMD bonus. Country USA. So processing date is, okay, let me set earning date is 1/1/2019. Run category regular. Now, share group, corporate, semi. Oh, we assign only for one employee. Don't go with this option. Create eligibility rule. Worker eligibility, redactions, instance set comparison. Name it as bonus logic. Compensation element. Now I have to hit and try, ma'am. I will try with this. If not, I'll change. I also in the selection list. DMD. Sign on. Okay. I'm a little doubt it will work or not, but let me give it a try. Otherwise, I'll troubleshoot. Calculation as usual. Compensation element. Standard one I'll select. Not percentage, it's an amount. Okay. So now whenever we are processing this kind of one-time payment, there is a concept called gross up. Any idea, ma'am, what is meant by gross up?
Yeah, yeah, I know what a gross up is.
Okay. So some of the taxes we will exclude from this earning. On behalf of the employee, employer will pay, right? For example, I don't want to calculate OSDA Medicare. I'm excluding this tax from this earning. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Then scroll down. We have to discuss all these details in coming sessions. Compensation element, DMD one-time payment. How come our payment plan is okay? I say element, right? Sorry. Non-bonus. And scroll up. Basic and simple logic. Add to gross. What all taxes needs to be calculated? Okay, got it. Let me exclude this one because since we are selecting the gross up, we have to create these related calculations. I will explain in another session this one as hourly wage. I'm going to the worker. I think Mr. Austin Jin, right? I'll go to his data. So since we already employee got some certain eligibility, automatically status change to requires recalculation. Okay. So I'm going to recalculate to check whether this amount has been processing or not. Related actions. Okay, calculation. Recalculate. Now here, if the gross is increased to how much it is? $6,000. If it is total 10,141, then our calculation is working as expected. Let's see. 4,141 should be 10,141. 16,141. There are some previous payments also has been processed, it seems. Two lines are formed. This is the one. Actual amount has successfully processed. But another line also formed. We want to understand why. See the payslip. Oh, he has two ones. It's strange. Why two lines? I mean, two pair results has been returned. It's processing successfully, but it should be only one. How come two? Here one. Another one is joining bonus. Sign on bonus. If this is ours, where this is coming in. Sign on bonus. Let me check this. Sign on bonus. Is there an earning? There is one already. Okay. A sample one is already created. The same thing has been processed. This is not us, which has configured by someone else. Since we already assigned the plan, automatically it has been processed. Got the point, man? There are two earnings with the same thing. Sign on bonus. This is a sample one Workday has given. The one which we created is this one. Okay. And that's the reason we can see both at worker level, because this employee has sign on bonus, compensation element is exist. So two values you are able to see. Both are processing. Any questions, ma'am, or any kind of confusions on this?
Mm-mm.
Yeah. Okay. So let me show, I think again. Just a second. Now, if you can see, only our earning has been processed. Sorry, hours I removed. So only one earning has been processed. So someone is already created with the same joining bonus. That's what 2 records visa. Now I delimited 1 record. Great. Thank you so much. Please take care and stay safe, man. See you in our next session.